In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit or add a coming soon page on your Shopify store. Whether you're gearing up for an exciting new product launch or simply revamping your site, having a coming soon page can be a fantastic tool. It builds anticipation and keeps your customers informed about what's next. Now, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to your Shopify admin by logging into your store in your web browser. Once there, you'll find yourself on the home dashboard, which is the central hub for managing your online store. From here, you'll be able to access all aspects of your site, but today we're focusing specifically on creating that essential Coming Soon page. Next, locate and click on the Pages option on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This section stores all the custom pages you've created for your site, such as About Us, Contact, and more. Now we're going to add a new page to this list, specifically dedicated to your Coming Soon announcement. After clicking Pages, you'll be directed to a new screen. Here, simply click on the Add Page button, which should be prominently displayed. This is where you'll start crafting your new page. It's an exciting step because this is where you set the stage for what's to come. It's your canvas to communicate with your customers, so I can make it count by crafting a compelling message or visual layout. On the new page screen, select the Highlight option to make your Coming Soon page stand out. This will attract visitors' attention and ensure that your message doesn't go unnoticed. Consider adding a catchy headline, some engaging visuals, and a brief description of what your customers can expect. If you're targeting a launch date, include that too. Remember, the more you can pique their interest, the better. Use Shopify's built-in editor to help make your page truly pop with design elements that reflect your brand's personality. Finally, make sure that the page is visible. After all, the goal here is for your audience to see it. Just keep in mind that if you're not quite ready to roll out the red carpet yet, you can always set it to hidden until everything is prepared and you're ready to go live. But as soon as you're ready, setting it to visible will ensure that anyone visiting your site will see the exciting news of what's coming soon. And there you have it, your very own Coming Soon page on Shopify. Adding this kind of page is a great way to keep your customers engaged and excited about what's next for your business. Good luck with your store launch or relaunch, and remember that creating anticipation is a powerful tool in your business strategy toolbox. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.